Did you know that 90% of investors lose money in the stock market? It's not because they're unlucky. It's because they don't understand the game. Before we dive in, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who's thinking about investing. Let's help more people win the money game. Coming up, 5 costly investor mistakes and how to avoid them. Simple strategies, real examples, and smarter habits to grow your wealth. Let's start with the biggest traps. Investing isn't gambling, but most people treat it like it is. They buy when everyone's hyped up and sell when fear takes over. That's how the 90% lose. The good news, you can be in the 10% who actually build wealth, if you know what to avoid. When a stock suddenly explodes in popularity, everyone wants in. But here's the truth. By the time you hear about it, the smart money has already made their profit. Successful investors buy before the hype, not during it. Most people invest without a plan. They don't know their risk tolerance, time horizon, or even why they're investing. And when things go south, emotion takes over. The 10% always invest with a clear strategy, and they stick to it. If you're learning something new, hit subscribe for weekly videos that make money simple. It's 100% free, and it could save you thousands in future mistakes. Trying to predict the perfect time to buy or sell is a losing game. Even professionals can't do it consistently. The 10% focus on time in the market, not timing the market. They invest consistently, through ups and downs. Putting all your money into one stock or one asset is a recipe for disaster. Smart investors spread their risk across industries, countries, and even asset classes. Remember, never put all your eggs in one basket. We live in a world of instant gratification, but wealth takes time. The 10% know that true investing is a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Compounding is slow at first, but unstoppable in the long run. Here's the secret. Be patient, stay consistent, and don't let emotion dictate your money. If you can master those 3 things, you'll already be ahead of 90% of investors. Comment below. Are you an investor or planning to start soon? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because smart money conversations start right here on Money Talks.